I woke up this morning and my wife was like, singing for me. I was like, no, what's going
It
on?
is smoke Igbo.
And she said that she want to ask something that what did I take last night? I said, why are you asking? She said, because the boats were being driven in another level. The boat was being rocked in another level. I was like, wow.
Wristwatch and cup of
You
tea,
know,
oh,
so
funny
I was
people.
just doing my, normal thing because I always have all these herbs, all these spices. I said, okay, let me just, do something different. I took a little ginger, a little garlic, and then little sage, and then go crumb. So these are the things I boiled together. I just took a teacup before going to bed. So I didn't know she was going to love me for it anyway. So
I still
these are the
love
things
you.
anyone can do. Anyone can do it at home. If you have all these things, you can do it at home. And then, your wife will definitely love you for it. Okay. She will definitely love you for it. I'm assuring you that because I am seeing it now. I wasn't really expecting that, but I can tell you now that your wife will love you. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video.